we are going to do these lovely little clover garlands, and I'm actually going to show you right now a little bit of a tutorial so you can see how these come together. All right, I'm going to scooch this up. So your first step to make this clover garland is to get some green felt, and you are going to cut out this shape. You can do this however you'd like. If you'd like to do this kind of in bulk by folding up squares, and then you can fold and round the corner. I might switch to top down so you can see a little better. So we have this little shape, just square at the bottom and 2 little humps. So as you're cutting, again, you can find the way if you want to. I do have some tips here on how to do this kind of in bulk, but really all you need to do is get a square, fold in half, and cut that top here. And then you're going to use your hole punch and punch 4 little holes, ding, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, along the bottom edge here, all right? And then you're going to grab probably one of my favorite tools for early childhood handwork, your blunt tapestry needle. We use this a lot, and thread a green piece of yarn here. And the trick with this is that a lot of times when you make garlands, you can still kind of adjust where the thing is. When we do this garland, it does tie it in place, so just keep note of that. So to make these, you're just going to thread your blunt needle here at the bottom, just in and out and in and out through those 4. And then we're going to not lose this. We're going to pull this through, and we're going to repeat. And you can of course choose if you want to do a 3-leaf clover or a 4-leaf clover. Your choice. I gave my children the option, and all of them seemed to want to do a lucky 4-leaf clover. So I will do that one. So we're going to just pull these up and kind of position these wherever you'd like it to be on your garland. Of course, this is just a little sample. And just weave in, out, right here. Pull it through, and I'll go ahead and do 4, because why not? It's part of our story that he finds a 4-leaf clover. All right, so 4 here. Then you're just going to tie this together. So I want to make sure if this is where I want this 4-leaf clover, then we're just going to tie this together like so. And this will just bring together our 4-leaf clover. Look at that. Ooh, isn't that lovely? And then of course you can do another one to really lock it in place to make sure it doesn't unravel. And there you have. Easy. So it comes together really easy, really beautifully. Of course, you can do 3 or 4, but very simple. And then of course you can repeat however many times to make a garland of whatever length you want. This one's pretty long, so you can do as many as you want to cover whatever window or whatever. But that is how you create a nice, simple little clover garland. Pretty fun.